Asexual reproduction occurs when a single organism undergoes mitosis to produce genetically identical offspring. Mitosis is a process of cell division which results in the production of two daughter cells from a single parent cell. The daughter cells are identical to one another and to the original parent cell. Mitosis occurs in 5 steps, which can be easily remembered using the acronym is Phyllis making a twin. The 5 steps are interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Remembering our acronym is Phyllis making a twin, we start with the letter I for is. The first stage of mitosis is interphase. During interphase, the parent cell is busy doubling its DNA. One key sign of interphase is the intact nuclear membrane. At the end of interphase, the cell will have doubled its DNA and gone from 4 chromosomes to 8. If interphase and intact all start with the letter I, so we know they go together. Next comes the letter P for Phyllis and prophase. One obvious sign of prophase is that the nuclear membrane breaks into small pieces and disappears, and the DNA condenses into distinct pieces, called chromosomes. P is for fill, prophase, and pieces. Remember that the DNA doubled during interphase, so the parent had 4 chromosomes but now has 8. Notice that the chromosomes are in pairs, so each blue or red X is actually 2 chromosomes. Now for stage 3. The letter M is for making and for metaphase. Metaphase is the easiest step to recognize because the chromosomes line up very distinctly in the middle of the cell. M for make, metaphase, and middle. It is very easy now to see the 4 chromosome pairs which equate to 8 total chromosomes. Stage 4, A stands for anaphase and away. The chromosome pairs split and the chromosomes move away from one another to opposite sides of the cell. Remember that the parent cell had 4 chromosomes which doubled during interphase to 8. During step 4, anaphase, 4 chromosomes move to each side of the cell. The final stage of mitosis occurs with the creation of 2 genetically identical cells through the process of telophase. T is for 2 and for telophase. During telophase, the cellular membrane reforms and we have 2 distinct cells which are genetically identical to one another. Take a moment to look at all the stages of mitosis together. Make sure you know the names of the stages, what happens at each stage, and how the number of chromosomes changes throughout the process. This simple chart points out the key parts of each stage of mitosis.